Hey everybody, it's Lou. Welcome back to another episode of LMTV and Off Grid Adventures. Well, we've made some progress again this week on Optimus here. As you can see, we've got the bench back together, the dinette. I went ahead and put a floor vent in there just to get some fresh air into there for the fan system and the heating system. I'll go ahead and show you the final finished product here. As you can see, there's our new heater. I went ahead and ducted it just right out in the front here. Got this all paneled back up nicely again. I am going to go ahead and add a 12 volt like computer fan down there. That way we can just keep pulling some fresh air through here. There is a little bit of heat building up. We did get the hot water tank running up and working perfectly right now. So it does have a little bit of heat come off it. That's normal just because of the hot water inside the tank. Went ahead and mounted all the controls right here next to where if somebody's sitting. You know, we've got our fan control here for the heater and everything, so we'll just go ahead, we can turn that on. As you can see, it comes on, fan starts turning, and then over here I've got the controls set up for the hot water tank. We got our electric side and our propane side, so at any time I can switch those around. I just had it on the propane to make sure everything was working. Electric side works fine. It's really nice hot water coming out of the tap now. As you can see, you might be able to see some of the once it gets flowing here. It takes just a minute for it to run through the system. And I'm going to go ahead and adjust the pressure in the expansion tank to add a little bit more pressure coming out of the sink. But I don't know if you can see that, but there's some good steam coming out of that hot water. So that is really good. You know, we can go ahead and adjust it with our cold. And everything's working really nice right now on Optimus. Again, we got the stove working perfectly in here. I did put a little kettle on there, just put some water in to make sure everything's working. But as you can see, we just go ahead and turn the gas on, flick of the switch, we're off and running. And as you can see, there's steam coming out of the kettle already. So everything's working great. We've done a number of tests. I did go ahead and add an additional switch in here. This way I can shut the water pump off and shut the entire system off. So when we leave the truck during the day, if God forbid there was a leak, we'll flip that off. There'll be no water running through the truck and emptying all that 100 gallons of water out of the tank. And then this is going to be another switch for, I haven't decided yet. I may put it on an outside light right on the edge here. I know I've got the solar one. Still haven't decided what I'm going to do with that. So, going to think that one through. I also went ahead and added a propane and gas detector down here just to be on the safe sides. We will have another one that plugs into the outlet over here. I'm always a big fan of redundancy and systems, backup systems. So that way we know everyone's safe. There's no problem. In fact, that one down there does carbon monoxide gas and smoke. So the one that plugs in will just kind of be a backup for our regular smoke system up here. But a lot of stuff done. Everything's back to normal. We're going to start the actual sanding process now over the next couple of days. Go ahead and get everything urethaned. Get the blinds put in. The curtains up on the bunkhouse for the sleeping area over here. The AV systems in over the next couple of days for whoever's sleeping up there. They'll have a DVD player and can watch some TV if they want. And pretty much done. I also got the stainless steel tile, again supplied by our sponsor there, the Home Depot. Got that all in place. Going to go ahead and grout all this and have it all done. But again, I hope you liked the video. Please hit the subscribe button. Hit the like. If you have any questions, comments, please feel free to shoot me a message. I will be sure to get back to you. As always, I will leave our email address in the comments below. So if you have to get a hold of me here at the shop, shoot me an email. I'll shoot you one back with our phone number. Be more than happy to speak to you about either a future project you'd like us to build for you or any project you might have of your own. Everyone have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.